Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host, Gamer, and today we continue with our unboxing of the new Alder Lake PC pots. All right, so we've got something here that has arrived, and we will be unboxing this baby. Yes, we will. Okay, so we've had some of the parts arrive, and we're looking at building, if everything goes well, an Alder Lake 12700 non-K. That is 8 gaming performance cores with 16 threads and 4 efficient cores, multitasking cores with 4 threads. So that gives us a total of 20 threads. So I can render videos in the background while I'm doing other things, right? So, very excited about this build. Now, in the first episode of our unboxing, we had a beautiful Lee Landcool 215 with 2 ARGB fans that are 200 millimeters each. So 2 massive fans, and looking forward to getting that all hooked up. So my plan is get the parts, have the motherboard on the box of the motherboard, and install the parts to test everything, make sure it's all going okay before I put it in to the case. All right, so we'll give that a try. But today, let's continue on with the unboxing. Okay, let's open her up. Whoa. We've got the Gorilla Gaming Predator Gaming Combo mouse and keyboard with RGB. Ooh, what does it say? Tricolor LED lighting, bright and vibrant, adds a flair to your gaming space. Ergonomic design, that's right. Uncompromised precision and control with every keystroke. Braided cables, built to withstand the toughest gaming sessions. All right. Oh, what is this? Anything different here? Predator keyboard featuring a slick black base and vibrant tricolor LED lighting. The Predator keyboard is your new go-to weapon when it comes to dominating the opposition. The ergonomically designed layout will ensure you'll never miss a key when it counts. Predator mouse, designed with precision and performance at the forefront. The Gorilla Mouse will take your game to the next level. Whether you're gunning for a headshot streak or a match-winning kill, you'll find pixel-perfect precision and comfort in the palm of your hand. Ooh, boy. Well, I think we should open her up. Are you kidding me? What the? Okay, so we've got the Gorilla Gaming mouse here. This is what it looks like. Okay, and you click this button here and change the colors. And the other button to go back down the colors. Okay. Right. And it is quite comfortable. It's got a couple buttons here, buttons there, and of course the mouse wheel and mouse button, wheel button. And yeah. Okay. And the keyboard. Has a few different colors. I don't have it fully working at the moment, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got the stand and this hand rest, wrist rest, palm rest, whatever you want to call it. Is yeah, it's stuck to the board, stuck to the keyboards, which is quite good because my Corsair one broke off, which was a bit sad. Yeah. Okay, so we just changed over to the blue color. All right. Must be taking the cue from the mouse. Changing the mouse colors. So, and how does it feel? Feels good, sounds good, all good. Okay, and the plane is driving over. Flying over, hopefully not driving, but flying over. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary, and don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.